Everyone, I wanted to bring you a quick market update before the weekend. So, a couple of things have improved drastically with FHA financing. The very first thing that I want to bring to your attention is that we can now do FHA and VA loans with credit scores down to 580. So, we were able to do the 580 credit score before the pandemic, but the minimum credit required was increased to 620 when the pandemic started. So now we're going back to being able to do a 580 credit score FHA or VA, the veteran loans. I think that's going to bring a new pool of buyers back into the market, which is great. It's going to keep demand up and ultimately sustain the market prices, market values up, I think, through the end of the year. So that's a very positive thing for the market there. We also have a new product that's an FHA no credit required loan. Obviously, there's a little bit more requirements for that loan in terms of down payment, a little bit more requirements in debt to income ratio and so forth. But if you have a client with no trade line, someone that has no credit history, we can do the loan and we can do it with FHA. So that's a big plus there. Again, bringing in a few more buyers into the market, giving more buyers resources and the opportunities to be able to be homeowners, getting some people out of being tenants and so forth. So very good things there. And then lastly, I am seeing a very positive trend with FHA approved condos. So up until this point, we've only had a handful of FHA approved condos, and we've always had our clients, or we've had the option to have our clients do 5% down conventional mortgages or 10% down conventional mortgages on condos that don't meet the minimum required for Fannie Mae financing. However, I am seeing a positive trend in FHA financing. So I wanted to share with you guys an updated list of FHA approved condos. So you guys can see here on the left hand side, we have about 9 FHA approved condos in Miami-Dade. So that's big time. That's up from about 4 or 5 a couple of years ago. So that tells us that condominiums are now, or condo associations are now getting a little bit healthier with reserves, putting more money aside into the savings. So again, bringing in more opportunities for people to buy properties with FHA, with conventional VA, and so forth. Here on the right, I have a list of the FHA approved condos in Broward. So in Broward, there's only about 6 FHA approved projects. However, keep in mind, it is a positive trend. A couple of years ago, we had 0, up, we have 2 or 3 the last year. Now we're up to 6 in Broward and 9 in Miami-Dade. So it's good to see. It's good to see that trending in the right direction there. Again, keep in mind, if you do want to buy a condo without having to give 25% down, like most of these banks require, we can do 5% down on condo purchases with conventional. It doesn't have to be FHA approved. And if the condo doesn't meet the Fannie Mae requirement for financing, we could always do 10% down and bypass that Fannie Mae requirement. So I hope this helps. If you guys know anyone that's been on the fence about buying because of their credit score, because of they can't find an FHA approved condos, by all means, please connect them with us. I like to have a buyer's consultation with them and possibly be able to put them and make them into a homeowners and no longer tenants. So that's all I have for today, guys. Great positive trend on the FHA financing, FHA condos, and so forth. So until next time, I appreciate it. If you found this market update useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Otherwise, be safe. And until next time, see ya.